Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to enable director mode in your snaps. If you want to have more control over your Snapchat photos and videos, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be in the camera section. Look for the plus icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to access additional camera features. Step 3. After tapping on the plus icon, a menu of options will appear. Look for the director mode option and tap on it to enable it. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable director mode in your snaps, giving you more control and creative options when capturing your photos and videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.